Hi everyone, this session is about Amazon Q Business. What is Amazon Q for Business? Amazon Q for Business is an enterprise-ready generative AI assistant. It is built specifically for organizational data and allows users to interact using natural language through a chat-based interface. Why is Amazon Q for Business used? Amazon Q for Business is used to reduce the time employees spend searching for documents, improve overall employee productivity, provide secure and permission-based answers, and integrate seamlessly with existing enterprise data sources. Who uses Amazon Q for Business? Amazon Q for Business is mainly used by enterprises and organizations. Typical users include IT and DevOps teams, HR, finance, and operations teams, and customer support or internal help desk teams. Now that we understand what Amazon Q for Business is, why it is used, and who uses it, let's move on to the hands-on demo and create an Amazon Q Business application from the AWS console. Note that I'm on the Mumbai region. Click on Amazon Q Business. Now you can see that it is written Amazon Q Business is not available in the Asia Pacific region, so we have to select another region. Either you can click it here or change the region and then select Amazon Q Business. The Q Business homepage is loaded. Here it says Amazon Q Business is for empowering your workforce with generative AI. Now let's get started. Click on Get Started, and you will be moved to the page where we are going to create the application. Here it is showing a flow of how it works. Let's create the application. For that, click on the Create Application button. This is the Create Application window. First, we have to give a name for the application, so I have chosen the name Q Business Application Demo. Next, you have to select the user access. Here we have two options, Authenticated Access and Anonymous Access. We have to choose Authenticated Access. Next, we can select an outcome for how it should be presented. By default, it will be the web experience, and it is already selected. Next, we have to select the access management method, and the recommended option is AWS IAM Identity Center rather than AWS IAM Identity Provider, so we can go with the recommended one. Applications are connected to an organization instead of IAM Identity Center, and the ARN is given here. Next, we have to select the users. Either you can select users one by one, or you can select all together. We also have options to select users by group. Along with that, we have to select the subscription. Here, I am going to select Amazon Q Business Lite. We can check the pricing as well. When we scroll down, the pricing is given here. Amazon Q Business Lite is $3 per user per month, and Amazon Q Business Pro is $20 per user per month. So, we can select Amazon Q Business Lite because it is cheaper. The features of both plans are also listed here. Now that we have selected Amazon Q Lite, moving forward we can find the application details. By default, it is set to create a new service linked role. We need to change that to create and use a new service role. You can change the role name if you want. Otherwise you can scroll down. Again, they are asking for the web experience settings. We can select Create and use a new service role. If you already have a service role, then you can select Use an existing service role. If you want, you can change the role name here as well. Then click on the Create button. It will take a few seconds to create the application. Here it is the application with the name Q Business Application Demo, and it shows the message, you have successfully created the application. On this page, it displays the details of the application and provides guidelines on what to do next. We have to create a data source, set admin controls, and configure guardrails. It also shows the user access details, such as how many groups or how many users currently have access. You can also add groups and users here by clicking this button. Type the username or group name that you want to assign. Select the username or group name, then click Done. That user or group will also be added. Next, in the web experience settings, you can see the deployed URL. This is what we are going to use to access the web experience. It is similar to a normal AI chatbot. It has an open menu, a chat section, and a library section. It also includes feedback, info, and logout options. Now let's test it. We can type a general technical question, let it be. What is the difference between ML and AI? Just wait a second. See, it's showing the result from an LLM model. In the next video, we will see how to set the guardrails and configure the data source. Thank you for listening.